What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we got a 1966 Chevelle about to go for a test drive in. This is a true SS 4-speed car with a 396 in it. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of inside, out, and underneath of this car. After this test drive, I'll be doing a walk around video. The last 30 seconds of every video, you can get the walk around or the test drive, so definitely check that out. You can also get financing and shipping information on maplemotors.com. I post videos every day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a classic muscle car. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a test drive. We're gonna take a look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? Dash pad's in great shape on this one. Somebody took the radio out of it. Go ahead and start it up here. Blower motor's out in this one. Well, I thought it was. It's actually blowing. Yeah, blower motor's working. No AC in this car. Let's look around the dash here. Looks like the gas gauge is up about halfway. Battery gauge came up as well. Miles, it's showing 36 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that. Every time it passes 100,000, it goes back to zero. Motor hasn't been running long enough to come up on the temp. Oil pressure is not hooked up on the dash. All right, guys, look around the interior here. The windshield wipers, they do work. The actual arm on the windshield wipers came off, so I had to take the piece off behind the hood and hook it back up. That was something that I found out that they told me right before I started this video, so I want to let y'all know. All right, guys, we'll put y'all in the window. We're gonna take off down the road and see how this car drives. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. I noticed it doesn't have seat belts. They probably redid the interior and didn't add the seat belts yet. The clutch lets out about pretty much immediately. It feels pretty good. Anything I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. Speedometer needle coming up out of the dash here. The miles are still turning over. Steering seems pretty tight. Car itself, I feel it pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, it slightly pulls to the left. It may need an alignment or one of the wheels maybe off a little bit. And try the brakes out before we get too many people around us. Brakes feel great on this car. Our engine temp is coming up on the dash, so that is working. Just checking the little clock down here. Sometimes you mess with it, it'll start working. on the dash here. We'll be trying the other one here in a second. This car drives nice and smooth. Turn in this parking lot here and we'll get some outside shots, see what it sounds like from the outside. I'm gonna do a walk around video, try to knock all that out over here. It'll be separate from this one. This is the test drive video. Walk around videos, you can see about the last 30 seconds of every video that I make. Hop up in here, head on over to the next church parking lot and go ahead and do a inspection walk around on the outside. E-brake was still holding. It's not very strong, so I had the wheels kind of turn. Engine temp's still good on the dash here. I noticed the motor wasn't getting very hot. Our back driver wheel, the brakes sound like they're squeaking a little bit from those drum brakes in the rear. I'm gonna head over to this parking lot here, mix it up a little bit. Nice and quiet. All right, I'm gonna jump out and we'll continue this test drive right after I do the walk around video. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some undercarriage shots. We'll start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger. Y'all set up in the driver's seat here, and we'll head back to the car lot. love the vent windows. I wish the new cars had that. When you don't have AC, it's a perfect breeze for your pant leg. Car feels good going down the road. Going off that building back there. I don't know if y'all could hear that on the camera. That was loud. About to turn on our road with the speed bump in it. Suspension on this is great, so you probably won't even notice we hit it. Bump's right here. Right around the corner from the lot now. Perfect. It's like the green light knew we were coming. Won't turn on this side since there's nobody in this fast lane. All right, let's get up in here, pulling the lot. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for more information. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, and accessories. I got financing information as well as shipping on that website as well. If you want to see videos like this every day, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. It'll alert you every time I post. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys. The walk around video will be at the last 30 seconds of this one. Check at the bottom right corner of your screen.